drive-in out. But if you ask this small-town American, it's the only way to see a movie.
That sounds stupid. Besides, we're already watching
So?
a movie in the car.
What age, Daddy?
Teaching you a lesson. A relatively unprovoked and violent lesson, but a lesson nonetheless. Great, now I gotta watch it on my phone. Oh, man. Sure is getting expensive to take your family to the movies. Hey, Floyd. 2 adults, 3 children for out of business, closed forever. Thanks for your years of patronage.
That's not a movie title, Cleveland. That's real life. Drive-in's closing.
What? But I just had this 3D windshield installed.
I'll be dead within the month.
This
Have
is...
a great night.
I can't believe this. What about my memories? My nostalgia? My stool bin? Oh no! My eyes are welling up!
Cleveland, watch where you're going!
I can't see through my tears! We're all gonna die!
Bye.
Hey, it's still early.